Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. We have a $90 session. This is exciting. Consists of 2 Extreme Payout tickets. This is on 48 and 49. We have 2 of the 200 million cash explosion. This is ticket 7 and 8. And we have 1 of our 200 million cash new $50 ticket. This is on ticket number 4. All right, let's start out with some extreme payout. Zoom it in there. We'll do ticket number 48. See if we can find a nice win. All right, our numbers are 9, 10, 13, 1, 50, and 20. You don't have any 40s this ticket. Or 30s. Wow. Barely have a 20. 1 off. 1 off. No 40s either. Man, tough break. One off, 18. Next row. 33, 34, 49, 1 off, no 30s, 21, 1 off, 19, no 40s, 26 and 40. Nothing here. Boom. All right, loser. What about ticket number 49? It's cut off at the bottom, but let's try something a little different. Let's try symbol search. We're looking for a star or a stack of cash. Look at that, we got a star. All right, so we won something. Okay. We won something. Let's see what our numbers are. 18. Nothing, nothing. 1 offs, of course. Queen of the 1 offs. 2. We got a 1 off right here. And that's it. Okay. 42. Got a 43, 1 off. Nothing. 28. Oh, we got 28. All right. What else? Let's see. 33. Do we have a 33? I don't think so. We got a one off. We got 32. Nope. All right, last one. 31. Let's see. Do we have a 31? Nope. Nope, got 30. All right, let's see what we got behind the 28s. Oh, 20 bucks. Nice. All right, now let's see what we have behind our star symbol. 10 bucks. All right. We've got a $30 winner. Let's see. I think that was it. 28. Yeah. $30 winner. All right, we'll take that. All right, next we have the cash explosion. And let's scratch our numbers first. Two, 1, 36, 4, 31, 39, and 40. We have no 20s. 35, one off. No 20s. No 20s. 16. Oh, we have no teens either. Okay. 8. No 20s. 34. 5. One off. No 6. No teens. No teens. No 20s. No teens. No 20s. 33. No 20s. No teens. 37. One off. 10. Nope. Last row. 4. No teens. No 20s. 7. No. 32. One off. And 12. No. All right. L on this ticket. We've got one more. Let's see if the last one can do it for us. Ticket number 8. I like the colors on this ticket. Pink and green. It's cool. Okay, our numbers are 38, 34, 35, 12, 39, 18, and 27. 30, 10, 5. Look at that. We got a symbol. We got a money bag. Let's get some matches. Oh, and a 38. All right, we'll take that. Beautiful. Next, let's get some more to go with that. 22, 25. Oh, look at that. 35. Awesome. 4. 5. 36, one off. Look at that, 12. Oh man, this is a good ticket. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We have 4 matches so far. Nice. Or 3 matches in a simple. 37. No, one off. 32, no. 16, negative. Next row. 8, no. 17, it's one off. Oh man, we got another one, another match. Awesome, love it, love it, love it. And another one, 39. Wow, this is great. This is awesome. Three, nothing. Last row. Oh my god, 34. We've got another match. 2. 31, no. 29, no. And last but not least, 14. Wow. Awesome. Okay, let's see. Man, I think I'm gonna try and get them all. Okay, so we have 2 in this row, the money bag. Let's see what we got. $15. Awesome. Okay. 38. Let's see what we have here. $15. Awesome. Okay, next row we had just the 35. Just the 35. 15. All right. Next row we have 12. And is that it? Yep, just 12. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Okay, so then the next row we have 18 and 39. Okay, let's see, 39, another 15. Awesome. Oh wow, what are we at? Got 30, 60, 70, 85, and then we had 34. $34. 15. I think that was it. Oh man, look at all that. Let's see what we got. 30, 60, 90, $100 winner on Cash Explosion. Oh, that's never happened to me. I don't really ever play this ticket. Awesome. All right. Nice. We're in a profit session. Love it. Wow, that was awesome. Great win. We still have our $50 ticket. All right, let's see what we got here. Ticket number 4. We have 41, 24, 25, 49, 26, and 33. Okay, let's see. Six. Oh, we have no little numbers. 46. No. 21. Nope. 43. No. 8. Nope. Okay, we have no teens. No. 13. 35. No 35. No 1. No 3. 23. Got a 1 off. 39. No. 29. No. 18. Nope. 42. 1 off. 22. Next row. 37. 9. 45. 27. 1 off. 7. We had no little numbers. Okay. 47. 12. 1 off. And that's 30. No little numbers. 38. 36. 11. No teens. 48. 1 off. All right, last row. We can do it. 31. No teens. 44. 28. And last but not least, number 32. So, no winner on the $50 ticket today, but that's okay. So we have a $40 profit. Thank you everybody for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. If you have any ticket requests, please feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to play them. And last look at our big, we did really well on that $10 200 cash explosion ticket. Thanks everybody.